Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, uThabo Bester, uthi ufuna ukukhuluma. He told Ad Hoc, so obviously Khanyan, the chair, was like, no. Guys, there's something big that he's gonna say. And I think it involves SAPS members, plus Umatlala, plus other people. Jerry Bushokha no Banban. Because guys, remember Thabo Bester knows a lot. Besides the fact that Thabo Bester is very, very smart. I'm just like, had he not stopped going to school at grade 5, you understand my point? He will be far. Very, very, very far. But he is also like Umatlala. He's just like Lalela, you don't have to go to school. You can be Mgulugudu if you don't have businesses. That whole thing, you don't have to go to school to be wealthy in life. But they just they took another direction around that. I mean, they took it to other places. You know, you don't have to go to school. You know, yo, Thabo Bester, guys. What is he gonna say? And you have Thabo Bester, there's a lot of politicians and high-profile people that are behind his back. The fact that Thabo Bester, guys, every Friday used to sleep in some hotel that was owned by G4S. It's more like a B&B type of thing, or a guest house, if you might call it like that, you know? Every Friday, guys, and then you were getting Uber Eats. This is why, in the end, when he went to Cimex, it was just like, no, actually, I'm on a hunger strike. I'm not going to eat until I get my Uber Eats. I'm just like, he is spoiled, guys, and he likes fine things, like Umatlala. And I think they know each other. The man with these syndicates will never finish, or should I say the cartels, because basically there's a big cartel, right? And then there's sub people that work for this cartel, including subs members. How crazy, guys. Had it not been Mkhwanazi, ngabe Scoop, guys. I've always asked myself that question. I'm just like, ngabe Scoop. One police top cop that's not rogue like the rest of them. That's just like, I'm done, I'm tired. Can I just do a research on these people? These are my findings. Banjil abantu. OCB are the criminals of criminals. Of Mgulugudus. I'm just like, guys. Ngabe Scoopy. Well, I also feel Kuluma brothers, but to say, no, actually, here's my hand. Give me Kuluma, I'm putting my hand up. Because I'm sure he's just like, you know what, it's over anyways. I'll never come out of jail. Also, they don't want me to go back to Cimex. Actually, I don't care anymore. Whatever, you know.
It turns out that plea, or should I say request, that Thabo Bester had asked Guti, can he come to Ad Hoc? It was rejected. You know why? Because I'm telling you, Thabo Bester, when he goes to Ad Hoc, hell is gonna break loose. He's gonna expose people there. And those people that he's going to expose, they'll be sitting there with him. That's just what's crazy. I'm just like, okay, maybe it's the best. You must just stay with Pongwin. Because, I mean.
Guys, it's a lot in the Ad Hoc. Igaxa corner that Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is exposing some more. Like, when you just like, oh no, we're done. Now they've come up with other stories now. There was an Tlamulo guy who was writing the stuff that Umatlala was saying about politicians. And what I'm picking up at Ad Hoc, they don't want to tell us those politicians' names now. They just now talking about Shadrach and the whole thing. You say, oh no, when I'm catching, stay tight, don't worry, uzophumelele. And logo General Mkhwanazi, they actually investigating him, lawyer. Don't worry nje about him nje na sozenza into engcono lana. Like, guys, kuningi igaxa that are going on. Mkhwanazi is so confident about it, and Yamazike, he can articulate himself, and he knows what he's talking about. That guy. There's a very few people who feel ukuthi nje na ahlanya lo asigulela. No, guys, and normally what comes out every time mawuqhamuka and be that person towards him and want us to follow you. But he's the only one so far who's told us the truth and who's come out to expose people. No one else wanted to do it. But most of them are criminals anyway. So Shadrach, they've been counted. Or Paulo Sullivan. Hey guys, is just exposing people some more. So you do realize, like how I've been saying as well in Dabase Bongwen and that whole thing, you go to Thabo Bester and Kate Matlala will never go back to Cimex because the Cimex banabantu that are protecting them. And apparently Kate is friends with a head Yasim Correctional Services there at Cimex. So uyabona ukuthi kuba kuningi. It's a lot, guys. And the fact that Uketi had a relationship with the head of the facility there at Khosho Mampuru. And he was manipulating just about everybody there. That is why he had a cell phone, because Honorable James was just like, how does Kate Matlala get off with the cell phone? Like, because people can't have cell phones. I think that's why Kate Matlala is Lahlela Pants. Both of them and Thabo Best, because they can do whatever they want in Cimex. And the Pongweni shame there. You will never do anything that you want. In some solitary situation. Uyi-one. Ungawazi wenza next. Yo, yabona i-team General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. They don't sleep, those people. Those people are always investigating something or someone, you know. Uthi Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi at some stage they had Kate Matlala's cell phone, iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 taken from him when they were trying to get us some information about him, and then that's when they realized ukuthi ubiza ubheka icele ngoNdosi, but now he was busy speaking to this Ndosi guy, but it wasn't Bheki Cele. I think he missed the number until he sent some money to some guy that he doesn't even know Bheki Cele in Mpumalanga. I was just like, oh, it can't be serious. But now he's turning things around. General Mkhwanazi uthi no, ubona ngathi uMatlala was actually used. There's bigger things happening in the syndicates. Understand? As such, fans of Titi Cartel, I'm it's business big five, no. But guys, in everything that has been said here, General Shedrack Joseph Asbia keeps on coming out. How the person Lalela is rogue in another level. You only tabang right now. Nami, yeah, I'm learning other things about him. I'm just like, no. He is a criminal, like how General Mkhwanazi has always maintained. But I'm just like, I man, go back more every day. It's just like, no, this guy is shady. Oh my gosh, like, but sometimes you're driving a car. They incentive need to go to Mutumi's house to pick up money, but you make a police officer to drive so that money mbamba, you'll be like, no, it's not my money, it's the police officer's money. Guys, oh my gosh, like he also fired running because he was like, they must just fire me. At some stage when SIU went to his house, he was like, they must just fire me. I was like, speaking in lab, when did we get here, Umdala? You know, who even says things like that? So guys, it's in another level for me. And we ask me now the beef that I have with him is the sense of me case. It came out again for today at court. USC. Listen, I can't tell. The one that was leading, we are asking that leads General Mkhwanazi was just like, oh, okay, so it's those cases that go on forever and ever. Like Sanzo Mewa's case. I was just like, wow. And General Mkhwanazi, when they called this guy who had money transferred to him in the account, but they thought the number, I think it was just one digit at the end where Matlala missed Bheki Cele's number. Yeah, it's a clan name, like he was explaining it. Wakacele usithi Ndosi. Sishuglo Baba owner 74, futhi is actually 75 this year. He was born in 1952. Bheki Cele mdala. The stuff that he does though, uhamba nama 49-year-olds, like, you can't be serious right now. Okay, Matlala. Because I've been saying for the past 2 months at least, there's osinona abantu abanjani. And uthi Mkhwanazi, I was even telling him ukuthi bra uthi uyahamba uyele Lesotho, just wait. I mean, you're just about to retire. Then in 2 years when you retire at 60, you can go and work for umngani wakho lo mshoyo ukuthi wasemamelodi. But I stayed in Pretoria, I didn't know him. Usho General Mkhwanazi etshela uSinona. When Sinona was telling him, oh my gosh, man, I'm having with my friend. Oh, Vusumuzi Kate Matlala, Mamelodi. He actually grew up in Mamelodi. I think they did lo baba lo. High school. And then I'm going to Lesotho to work with him. Uthi wabindo wathi uSinona, you know, actually I'm taking your advice. I can't go now. Let me retire qala. Buya ke manje. Bakusebenza umkhulu ukuthi overskeleke. But uyayijika futhi, like I said. Mkhwanazi ukuthi no, actually, there's something more. Lo bayamuse uMatlala. Ice boy. Yeah, yamaphoyisa, yesabs. Guys, ziningi izinto this guy that is worked on and it's still working on. It's not finished. You can tell. There's some letter, you remember the letter, uNhlamulo, angazi bebhala, he was writing everything that uMatlala was confiding on him there at Kgoshimampur. Kuningi izigaxa ngikuzuqede plus artwork goes on forever because kube sebusuku. I'm just like, no, they need to stop lesikhathini. Hawu ngeke. Umbonile uJulius after kwabalwa umswazi umngane wakhe lesi sibona ukuthi nayo nathi ukhona kwekhathele Big 5. Mina even says ku organogram vele uyena umdala lapho uyena futhi ophethe bese kulandela uGeneral Sibiya. I'm just like, yeah, uGeneral Sibiya is moneyed guys then. Ngoba uhambe collect nje collect uLwes bag everywhere. You are collecting yena nobaba lo una 74 bag cela ba collect nje these people from what is said here, from what I've been listening to. I'm not even finished because ad hoc will go on sisizolala. Imagine. I was still saying uthi Julius Malema mbonisa akekho. Yeah, khona something lapho. Yeah. Just after ku2 nje na is involved with these people. Somewhere, somehow. Na umswazi lo washo nayo. Yeah, the one who was actually gunned down here in Matro. Yes. Kwavele kwaba into engathi into ama-takes. I don't even think it is. Somehow, you know, not allegedly. Into enjalo nje. Thina kasitshela indaba eze allegedly umkhonazi uthi kona. That's what's going on. So manje mina uyafanele ngithi allegedly. You remember ke uGeneral Sinthumule usisters phela neBBL yakhe you are showing off uthi umkhonazi was modeling it. We are investigating that person. Cabanga after uChe uSoviet Likhanyane was just like, oh my gosh, you're so good. Oh my gosh, nokuthi uzile lana, you're just the best. You are like the top cop of this world. I was like, oh, there's something buka man. But there's quite a few things that's going on with that. Hey, in a way, you were saying that you dayisa uSibiya. And I said you were selling him there at ad hoc last week. I was just like, wena bazubamba uzobanjwa. A busy smile and lapani BBL yakhe. No, this one I paid it myself. No, Mkhonazi is like, no. She's being investigated. Guys, ikante yini? Yo phela nini guys abantu baboshwe. People so that our children can learn which if you want to become a cop, please don't be a rogue cop ngoba uzoboshwa. It's just as simple as that. So ngime lapho because this thing Mkhonazi guys is long. Oh my gosh, he's been talking the whole day. I'm just like, no. At some stage it needs to stop. Fanele aphumule ubaba wabantu. Impela ke bemzama no Adams amzama. He's just like, please, mina uzongiqede. Wake washo ukuthi fasa ngindawo ngesizulu. There at Madlanga wathi, I'm not going anywhere. You will never finish me. Mina, I know my story. I know my ndaba. He always has back up. It doesn't mean his words futhi. Akayenzi mistake. Very articulate. Angangidlaleli again. Awa Mkhonazi mina umkhonazi wami. Khona abanye abazulu bethi umkhonazi wakhe, please keep it to yourself. I'm like, okay. Ngizoke ngime lapho guys kancane. Ngomkhwanazi, the staff DJ has been telling us that the whole thing yama Muslims ukuthi iwona that targeted, especially in case that any, and there was one police officer that is still investigating to this day, but they have more information obviously on him because they know exactly what he does now. He was involved in some kidnapping of people. And the reason why the Muslims are targeted, it's because they always have cash. But I don't know why would they do that though. And they've been doing it for years. Why? So mesebekhombile futhi ngawo sebefuna le mali it's a problem. So thatha omunye cabanga outside the mosque guys abantu banebindi. And then there's one policeman abasebenza naye bavele bathi hey we've got an enemy within. Guys uyazi uzosebenza nomuntu kanti umkhulu ukudu wakudala ombethe nje some sheep ngubo on top but nje uyabona ukuthi umuntu lo umkhulu ukudu isigebengu obvious sigebengu. So ba realize ukuthi hawu kanti lo usebenza nabo labantu abakidnapper naye was working with some Mozambican guy. Hey guys, it's bad, it's crazy, these syndicates. Oh, they are so bad. Oh my gosh. I'm just like, still kanjani abantu abanje. Omunye mhlawumbe uhlangana naye la emgwaqeni, you don't even know. So ngizongime lapho kancane. Thank you so much guys for always supporting this channel. Ngithanda over guys.